In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI for video editing. We'll start right in your browser. Open Google and in the search bar, type Meta AI. On the results page, click the official Meta AI website at meta.ai. This brings you to the place where we'll generate and refine an AI video from a text prompt. To create your first clip, find the prompt box on the site and write a clear, descriptive idea for your scene. For example, you might use something like, create a video of a fluffy white anthropomorphic bunny, young adult, flower-dusted apron, deep forest green cloak, cozy textures, in a serene autumn forest, gently collecting natural decorations with dappled sunlight on crisp leaves, her ears alert. Prompts work best when you specify subject, setting, mood, textures, and any motion or lighting you want to see. When you're happy with the description, click Submit. The system will start generating, and you'll see a progress indicator as it renders your clip. Once the first version appears, you can edit it by typing another prompt that focuses on improvements. For instance, enhance the video with improved realism, lighting accuracy, and animation smoothness. Increase detail in the fluffy white fur and fabric textures of the flower-dusted apron and dark green cloak. This tells the AI exactly what to refine rather than changing the concept. Click Submit again and wait while the edited version is created. Generation time can vary, so give it a moment to finish before you make more adjustments. To add music, click directly on your video to open the editing options. Choose Add Music, then browse or search for a track that matches your scene's tone. Preview a few choices so you can hear how they pair with the visuals. When you find one that fits, select it and click Apply. The audio will attach to your clip, and you can replay the video to hear how it sounds with the motion and pacing. You also have the option to restyle your video. This can shift the overall look and feel while keeping the core content the same. Use it to adjust the aesthetic and tone so it better matches your project or brand. Small, targeted changes often deliver more natural results than extreme style shifts. That's it. You searched for Meta AI, opened the site, generated a video,